Shadcn has been cooking like crazy these last 2 weeks. A bunch of new updates just dropped, and I think you're going to like these. Here we are on my favorite page of the internet, ui.shadcn.com, and first update I'm going to show you that's the most satisfying command you'll ever see in your developer life. I'm right here in the documentation and I'm going to type in apply. So we have the new apply command, and this command applies the preset that you have here and it changes your whole UI instantly. Let's test it out. We are going here to the new project, and here I'm going to shuffle through a couple of different presets. This one already looks okay. I'm going to apply that one to my shipper club project, so we can see here that everything is black and white, and also we don't have any roundness in our buttons, which is totally different here in this preset. So let's copy this one. I'm going to put it inside of my terminal, and we need to use that apply command, not approach, but apply, this one. And now we are just going to put this pmpmdlx Shadcn latest apply and put that before of our preset right here. I don't know why it copied this one. Apply, here it is. And now we are going to put apply, and quickly here we are going to see that everything is changing. I think that we just need to put some yes, okay, yes. And now we come back here and everything is going to change instantly. So your entire design system is going to change right here. This is so big, and this wasn't possible before. We can test out locally whatever we want and whatever UI we want. And I think I need to refresh. There it is. So we have now totally different font. We have totally different color. We can even see here some things happening with the font, but also in light mode. So everything is working and everything is changed. So we have completely new design system for our project, and we can do that for like with whatever preset we want. We can put here any preset that we want, and we can just try it out on our own project, and it works just like that on one command. Crazy. By the way, if you love Shadcn, you love Shipper Club as well. We have 39 spots left and some really serious builders, so make sure to secure your spot. And next update from Shadcn I want to show you, it's really big. It's right here on the new project page, and it's a completely new style called Sarah. And let me just reset this one so I can show you from the beginning. There it is, and I'm going to choose Sarah style, and you can see how everything is looking really awesome and minimalistic. There are no border radius, so here when we check radius, it is none, so you cannot put a border radius on the new Sarah style, and that's why it's looking so awesome like this. I use this style for the Shipper Club. You can see here also why it looks really good, because it has these like edges and all these things. It really looks like it has that designish look, and I really love it. So I think it is really awesome, and this is a great addition for the Shadcn library. Check out this one. This one is looking really good, and also the drop down. It's really awesome. Everything is squared and minimalistic. I really love this new style, and this is my go-to definitely for every new project, except it doesn't have to be like something rounded or something, but this is looking really, really awesome. Then another new thing we have is this open preset. This wasn't possible before. So I saved here a couple of presets so I can show you how does it work. So we just put in here a preset, we click open, and we open it instantly here inside of our Shadcn create page. This definitely comes in handy because someone can just send us some kind of preset. For example, this second one, we can just go here, open preset, check out how does it look, and we can say, hey, I don't like this one, so let's change something like, I don't know, we can choose other icon library, for example, Phosphor, and then we can just send them back this preset so they can test it out. Of course, you can do it through the URL as well, but this one comes in handy if you're saving presets somewhere, so you can open each one and test every preset that you have. And next update is so crazy, and it's proving how awesome is Shadcn as a creator. So when Shadcn released this open preset, I was wondering how can I get preset from my already existing project. I didn't save preset for my shipper club, for example, but I want to send it to someone so they can try it out on their own project, and it's just not possible. We don't have any way to do that. It's not in the components.json file. So I asked Shad right here, quick question, Shad, can we see somehow current preset from our app? And just like 2 hours later, he just said, this is now in the latest beta. You can generate a preset from your own existing project. So we can now use here, you can see here npx Shadcn beta info, and that one is giving us right here preset and also the URL, and we are getting our current preset from our project so we can share it with anyone. And one more small update while we are here on Shadcn profile. By the way, come here and follow Shadcn. He's really an amazing creator. So Shadcn UI is now available as a cursor plugin, and you can just run add plugin Shadcn, and this is really amazing. I mean, Shadcn is already everywhere. We also have Shadcn skill, so use it, do the right thing, use Shadcn to build your UIs, because there is no better way. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and for more content like this, join the mighty horde, subscribe.